Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way businesses operate globally, and South Africa is no exception. From enhancing productivity to optimizing customer engagement, AI tools are indispensable for entrepreneurs looking to stay ahead in the competitive market. Here are the top 7 AI tools every entrepreneur in South Africa should know about to streamline operations and drive growth. 1. ChatGPT, conversational AI for customer interaction, best for enhancing customer service and automating support. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a versatile conversational AI tool that allows businesses to automate customer interactions. Whether used for responding to customer inquiries, creating marketing copy, or brainstorming new business ideas, ChatGPT helps save time and improves efficiency. Why it's valuable: handles customer queries 24/7, enhancing user experience. Cost-effective compared to hiring a full-time support team. Multilingual capabilities, including African languages, make it accessible for diverse customer bases. Many South African businesses, particularly in the e-commerce sector, are leveraging ChatGPT to improve response times and boost customer satisfaction. 2. Lucia, lead generation made easy, best for generating high-quality leads for B2B sales. Lucia is an AI-powered lead generation platform that provides accurate contact and company information for potential clients. For South African entrepreneurs targeting local or global markets, Lucia is a game-changer for building meaningful connections. Why it's valuable: helps identify decision-makers within organizations. Provides verified contact information, reducing bounce rates. Integrates with CRM tools like Salesforce and HubSpot. 3. PandaDoc, AI for streamlining document management, best for automating proposals, contracts, and invoices. PandaDoc uses AI to simplify document creation and management. Entrepreneurs can generate professional-looking proposals and contracts in minutes, significantly reducing administrative burdens. Why it's valuable: pre-built templates ensure consistency in branding and professionalism. E-signature capabilities speed up contract approvals. AI-driven analytics provide insights into document engagement. South African startups and SMEs benefit from PandaDoc's cost-effective solutions for managing client and supplier relationships. 4. Xero, AI-powered accounting and financial management, best for simplifying accounting tasks for small businesses. Xero is an AI-enabled accounting software ideal for entrepreneurs with little to no financial expertise. Its cloud-based platform offers tools for invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Why it's valuable: automates repetitive accounting tasks, saving time. Provides real-time insights into business finances. Integrates with local banks in South Africa for seamless transactions. For South African entrepreneurs, Xero's compliance with local tax regulations makes it an essential tool for managing finances efficiently. 5. Hootsuite, AI for social media management, best for enhancing social media presence and engagement. Hootsuite employs AI to help businesses schedule, manage, and analyze social media campaigns. Given the rising importance of social media in South Africa, Hootsuite is a must-have for entrepreneurs aiming to connect with their audience. Why it's valuable: offers AI-driven analytics to determine the best times to post. Monitors brand mentions and customer sentiment in real time. Streamlines management of multiple social media accounts. Entrepreneurs can maximize their marketing efforts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all of which are widely used in South Africa. 6. Canva, AI for design and branding, best for creating professional visuals without design expertise. Canva is an AI-powered graphic design platform that enables entrepreneurs to create stunning visuals for their businesses. Whether you need a logo, social media post, or marketing material, Canva offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Why it's valuable: AI-generated design suggestions make it easy for beginners. Thousands of customizable templates ensure quick turnarounds. Affordable pricing for small businesses and startups. For South African entrepreneurs, Canva's ability to create visuals in various languages, including Afrikaans and Zulu, is a significant advantage for localized marketing. 7. Zoho CRM, AI-driven customer relationship management, best for managing and nurturing customer relationships. Zoho CRM uses AI to help businesses understand customer behavior and optimize their sales strategies. With tools like predictive analytics and sales forecasting, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions to boost revenue. Why it's valuable: AI-powered chatbots engage leads on your website. Real-time insights into customer data help tailor marketing efforts. Affordable for small and medium-sized enterprises in South Africa. The platform's adaptability to South African business needs makes it a popular choice for local entrepreneurs. How to choose the right AI tool for your business. Selecting the right AI tool depends on your business needs and goals. Here are a few tips to guide your decision-making process. Define your needs. Identify areas where AI can address bottlenecks, such as customer service, marketing, or financial management. Consider scalability. Choose tools that can grow with your business. Budget wisely. Opt for tools with flexible pricing plans suitable for small businesses. Focus on localization. Ensure the tool caters to the South African market, including language and compliance requirements. The future of AI for entrepreneurs in South Africa. As AI adoption grows, South African entrepreneurs have an incredible opportunity to leverage these tools to gain a competitive edge. From enhancing customer engagement to automating routine tasks, the possibilities are endless. By embracing these AI tools, entrepreneurs can focus on innovation and strategy, leaving repetitive tasks to intelligent systems. Whether you're starting a small business or scaling an existing one, integrating AI into your operations is not just an option, it's a necessity for long-term success. These tools represent a gateway to innovation, efficiency, and scalability for South African entrepreneurs. By leveraging them wisely, your business can thrive in an increasingly tech-driven world. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips.